Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Chrome on your Android phone to start removing unwanted ads. Tap the three dots, then Settings to access controls. Select Privacy and Security to find safe browsing and other protections. Turn on Standard or Enhanced Safe Browsing for better ad and malware detection. Head back to Site Settings and choose Pop-ups and Redirects. Set that option to Blocked to stop most automatic ad pages. Also choose Notifications and deny sites permission to send push ads or updates. If ads persist, clear cookies and site data for targeted removal. Go to Chrome Settings, then Site Settings and tap All Sites. Select a problem site and choose Clear and Reset to remove stored data. That action revokes permissions and deletes tracking cookies that trigger ads. Next, check Android settings for installed apps and uninstall unfamiliar apps causing overlays. Finally, open Google Play, run Play Protect Scan, and update Chrome to the latest stable version for security fixes. For stronger protection, use private DNS to filter ads at the network level. Open Android Settings, Network and Internet, Private DNS, and enter DNS. AdGuard.com as the hostname. This blocks many ad domains without root access or extensions. Alternatively, install a reputable VPN-based ad blocker or system ad blocker from the Play Store. Those apps filter traffic and remove banners across all apps, including Chrome. If problems continue, consider switching to a privacy-focused browser with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.